together with finally director Marchitas Reyes.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Good evening. Good evening sa lahat po ng bubuo ng programa ang Pahiram ng Sandali sa creative staff, sa ating production staff, at hindi sa lahat ng press people na dumalo po ngayong gabi. Good evening. No words can never be enough to articulate the beauty of Pahiram ng Sandali as an artwork, and thanks to Direk Mario J. Ako po, personally, I am so proud na makabilang po sa cast na ito. Para sa akin, sa putong dream come true. At sa amin po lahat dito, we're very proud sa Pahiram ng Sandali dahil dito po, wala pong bida, wala kontrabida. Ngunit ang mananalig dito na mapapansin, parating ang mga manonood kung paano pinagsanib ang galing ng lahat. At lahat po kami dito ay hihiram ng sandali. Kaya abangan niyo po kung ano po yun. So, magandang nabubuso nyo.
Good evening. My name is Christopher Lillian. I play here, and it's really an honor for me to be a part of this teleserye. Working again with Miss Lorna Tolentino, it's always an honor. Napakagaling na artista. And matagal ko nang pinapangarap na makatrabaho, and a big star at that, of course, Dingo. Salamat for this opportunity, Jeremy. Salamat, and for Alexandra De Rossi and the whole cast, and of course at the helm, Mario J. De Los Reyes, my favorite director. So, again, ang dami namin ginawang mga movies before with Lorna Tolentino, Miss Lorna Tolentino, and they were all hits. And this time, with your help at susuporta ninyo, this will be a big hit. And marami pong salamat sa suporta ng lahat ng mga manunulat. Pagpatuloy niyo po ang suporta ng obra maestra na ito ng GMA7 Kapuso, Pahiram ng Sandali. Maraming po salamat. God bless you all.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga kapamilya, kapatid, kapuso. Alam niyo naman. Pero syempre, maraming salamat sa pagpapahalagang welcome sa akin ng GMA7. Talagang naramdaman ko po yung kanilang warm welcome na sa akin pababalik dito. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagbibigay din sa akin ng opportunity na makatrabaho ang mga napakagaling na mga artista. At syempre, first time na makatrabaho, of course, si Direk Mario J. Maraming salamat. Kay Direk, happy po ako. At sana panood ninyo, siguro naman po masisiyahan kayo dahil napakalutong ng mga dialogues namin. Kaya maraming salamat sa creative team, sa buong buo ng Pahiram ng Sandali. Kaya maraming salamat po. Unahin ko lang pasalamatan ang tulong na ibibigay ninyo para lalo panoorin at hindi bitawan ng mga manonood ng Pahiram ng Sandali. Maraming salamat po.
Anyway, napanood ako kay si Senator Maceda, sabi niya, nakabihis daw siya ng coat at saka naka-formal ang suit niya pero naka-pink rubber shoes siya. Tapos sabi siya, tinanong siya ni Jojo A. at ayaw sa niya, Sen, bakit bihis na bihis ka? Tapos pero ganda naman ang pink rubber shoes mo. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, when you come at this age, all you need is comfort. So I feel that I reached this age. I'm now in my senior year and still directing, and I feel I'm very comfortable. Number one, because after having been assigned haram, na-tense ako dahil hindi lang it was a topic that was touching a very controversial religion, Islam. Pero sa kasawiang pala din ay ito'y temporary na shell at ngayon ang pinalitan ng pahiram ng sandali. I felt very comfortable. Yung unang-una na dahil I am dealing with a topic that is very close to my heart at gustong-gusto kong gawin ang mga topic ng relasyon, relationships. In the past, I have done a lot of films about relationships. Sinungaling ng puso, pahiram ng kahit sandali with Brother Bo and Aramina. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig with Lorna and Boyet. My other woman, si Brother Bo, at saka si Alice Dixon. Yung kapag napagod ang puso with Snooki at Brother Bo ulit, kung saan nanalo siya sa famas na binigay ninyo rin. At ang huling-huli nga, yung my other, a love story. Aside from Dorotho, a love story and all of his relationship films. Ngayon, I'm being asked to handle again a topic that is very close to me at gusto-gusto kong gawin, and I'm very comfortable with. This is dealing with relationships of man with his wife, man and mistress, father and daughter, mother and son, and friends, enemies, mga magkakapatid, half-brother against another, and all relationships, mistress and the wife, and a lot of relationships that we have to face every day of our lives. So, pangalawa, I'm very comfortable because I'm working with the great cast. Ibig sabihin, pagsasama-sama namin ulit, nila Brother Bo, ni Lorna, ni Mark, my beloved Isabel, Neil, first time with Alessandra, at saka first time with Max, and very first time with Dingo. Ibig sabihin, who wouldn't be excited working with people and talented people at that? Pangatlo, I really love and I'm comfortable again because I'm working with a team na napakagaling, sila Aloy, sila June, sila Jake, sila Betchay, and all of the people, creative team, Reggie Magno, and Regine Alba, with Nieva, and all my production team. I'm very comfortable again. And when I'm comfortable, I'll give you something na magandang produkto. At yun ay pinapangako ko. It's we're trying a lot of things here. Very, very crisp dialogue, motivated performances, and we'll give you the best in terms of whatever we can give in terms of performances, in terms of production values. And because of the excitement and the comfort that I need, I want to give the best. Thank you for all of your support, and we look forward. Thank you to June too for giving us this project, and for Suzette, who thought of the whole idea. Thank you so much to all. Thank you.
And then have our focusing with the cast. Yes. Don't miss the much-awaited premiere of Pahiram ng Sandali Afternoon ng Aso San Roque on June 7 on November 26.